What's going on, guys? Idris B here, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the 2020 M1 chip MacBook Air. I got the MacBook Air. This version is the 8 gig version with the 8 cores and is a 512 gigabyte. Going to be doing a full unboxing, letting you know what comes inside the box. As everybody knows, Apple has been stingy lately, so hopefully they included a charger in the box. Who really knows? We'll find out when I unbox this thing. Before I get into the video, I do want to ask you guys to hit the subscribe button. I'm going to be doing a full review of the late 2020 MacBook Air coming up. Now, before I get into the video, I'm going to kindly ask that you guys look for the subscribe button on the screen and smash it for me. It really helped my channel grow. I'm going to be doing a video very soon after I continue to use the MacBook Air, if this thing is actually worth it, if you should go with the MacBook Pro instead, and I'm going to be giving my thoughts on that in the future. So if you like that kind of content, please hit the subscribe button. It'll really help me grow. Now, let's go into the unboxing. So this is the box of the MacBook Air. As you can see, it says MacBook Air right on the front. The version that I got is the gold version. As you can see, very gold, very slim, looks good. Let's go ahead and open this thing. And let's go ahead and take off the lid. Now, it looks a little bit pinker than I thought it would in certain lights. Coming off kind of gold, but honestly, it is a bit rose gold. Let's go ahead and lift this up and look at it. It has this little paper thingy on this. Let's go ahead and remove it as well. As you can see on the side, it has your two USB-C ports, both on the same side, which is quite unfortunate. I do like it on one on the other side. I wish Apple would do that, but it looks so clean and sleek. You have this little cutout part at the front, and it has very slim edges and sides. It's very razor thin if you look at it. I'm definitely going to put a case on this. It is quite light to hold, but I'm going to get into that in the full review. What else is in the box? So you get your standard USB-C cable in the box as well. So it's looking like we might get a charger. I don't see it, but no, seriously, I'm kidding. They will give a charger. This is a thick cable. It might be the same as you're used to, but again, Apple is quite notorious for not giving the greatest quality of cables. I wish the phone cable was of this durability. Put it over to the side. Of course, here you get the classic, iconic, designed by Apple in California over there, which includes the manuals and stickers. So it has the gold stickers to go with the gold MacBook. Again, it looks more gold on camera than it is in real life. And again, all of the manuals that you would expect, warranty information. Here is the charger. So it has a charger. So this is the charger for the MacBook Air. Looks very similar to the one that comes with the MacBook Pro, but it's quite smaller. Has the USB-C input there at the back. And that is pretty much what comes inside the new MacBook Air. Just wanted to quickly open it up just so you can see how it looks. It has, oh my God, there is the chime. It brought back the chime. Honestly, I was using my MacBook 2019, did not even notice that the chime was long gone. Let's go ahead and take this paper thing off. And that display is crisp. So as you can see, it starts up pretty fast.
If you know how to use VoiceOver, press Command F5 now to turn it on and set up your Mac.
The 2020 MacBook Air has the function keys in comparison to the 2020 MacBook Pro, which has the touch bar. To be quite honest, I hated the touch bar. It was horrible to use. Only used it for brightness and things like turning up the volume. I'm glad this thing keeps the function keys and did not change it to the touch bar. It is a great feature, you could call it feature, of the MacBook Air over the MacBook Pro in my honest opinion. I don't really like the touch bar. As you can see, it has the scissor switch keyboards in comparison to the button butterfly keyboards of the last MacBook Air, so that's a good touch on it. I'm not sure if this is the same size as it was last year, but I don't really think it's that much smaller than I had on the MacBook Pro, if not the same size. Visually, it looks the same. Unfortunately, I don't have my MacBook Pro anymore to compare, but it looks absolutely beautiful. And that was it, guys. Let me know what you thought of the video, full unboxing of the MacBook Air. If you're still waiting for yours, don't worry, I got you covered. You saw what's in it. And like I said at the beginning of the video, I'm gonna be doing a full review coming soon, my thoughts on it. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you're subscribed and also like this video to help my channel grow. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.